Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play World of Warcraft War Within beta. Before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you use the link in my description. So what you need to do is go to Google and type in how to join War Within beta. Then you have this, link from World of Warcraft, sign up to test the War Within. You want to tap on that, and then it's going to open up this page. You scroll down and you click sign up, and then you basically click request beta access, and then you log into your Battle.net account. But before you do that, there is one thing that it's kind of concerning. I don't know, can you just request beta and get it? Maybe some people will be able to get it, but if you want to be 100% sure you will get access to beta. So if I go here, shop, and scroll down, you see that base edition, heroic edition, they all have different things, and you see this beta access to the War Within. So potentially, to guarantee that you get access to beta, you have to buy the epic edition. Now, of course, you can try out and just request beta access and see are you eligible. But if you want to be 100% sure you can get the access beta, you need to buy the epic edition of World of Warcraft Within. That costs 90 euros. And then you will have access to beta, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.